Welcome to the final race of the regular season for NASCAR South Park Cup Series, live from Auto Club Speedway, under the lights, for the Pop Secret 400, presented by Jacqueline. A beautiful evening here for racing. We've been going to practice at 1:40 in the afternoon. See? Wow, beautiful. 2 minutes around. Oh well. There are 8 drivers fighting for 6 spots. 2 of them will be left out in the cold tonight. The temperature is approximately 85 degrees, so it's going to be, traffic is going to be slick. There's going to be a lot of guys trying to top and bottom grooves. And literally you start to be freaking crazy. Like, I mean crazy. There's going to be guys going 4 or 5 wide into turn 1. Will we possibly see a 2015 Auto Club Foreman style finish? We won't know. So, the race menu tonight, What If Racing is on the pole, in the second place team, what he needed. So, he actually said this in the press release after he was interviewed for his pole win, that he needed this. He needed this to score a win. He needed this to get in the chase. In fact, what if Racing is down to early for the interview? What if the Carson really doesn't fall? He was awesome in qualifying. He set a really good track record over Mark Schroeder. Do you think you can win tonight? Yeah, it's some little back and forth. He was really good on the 22. Plus the bump got a little sway, but I think the had probably the same problem. But 3 and 4, we actually had a rebound. It was perfect. It was a perfect race. Thanks for racing. Now let's try to get through his last week's winner, 7-4. Devin, you earned a much-needed win last week at Daytona. You're starting probably about the same position you won last week. Can you go 2 in a row and make life even harder for the drivers trying to get into the chase? Yeah, you're actually 22nd points came in that last race, and you got lucky. I mean, you didn't know how to work through the draft. Of course, California should be a lot different trying to play through the draft. Yeah, I think I missed my chance to race that shot. Let's send it back upstairs to you. It's to you, Dylan Murray. Dylan? California Auto Club Speedway, 70 miles from downtown Los Angeles, where tonight the red carpet is rolled out for the NASCAR South Park Cup Series. 8 drivers will be fighting for 6 final tickets to get in tonight. Expect some post-race fireworks, I can tell you that. Drivers like Jacob Tube and Jonathan Morris, who got their pressure out of the way early this season, they don't have to worry about it. They can ride easy. Ride easy tonight, but I'm pretty sure those drivers like Jonathan Morrison and Jacob Tube, they both love to get another win, just to put a nail in the coffin for the final 8 chasers. So, here are the clinching scenarios for the 2 Penske drivers. They just got to finish ahead of one another. The highest 6 will move on to the chase. The lower 8, the other 2 will be left out in the cold. Once this 13-lap race is over. Ugh. Thanks for putting up with my voice. Let's take a look at the starting grid. In row 1, we have the Pennzoil Platinum Ford and the Outback Steakhouse Chevrolet. Row 2 finds the White Deuce Ford and the Zestfully Clean Ford.
In row 3, we have the Aflac Ford and the Great Clips Chevrolet. Row 4, we have the Panasonic Toughbook Chevrolet and the Dow Chemicals Chevrolet. Rounding out the top 10, we have the Motorcraft Ford and the 55 car. Row 6, we have the FedEx Express Toyota and the Hasada Nation Chevrolet. Row 7, we have the 5-Hour Energy Toyota and the Cobalt Tools Chevrolet. Row 8, we have the Code 3 Associates Chevrolet and the Advocare Ford. Row 9, we have the Dollar General Toyota and the Nationwide Insurance Chevrolet. Row 10, we have the Target Chevy and the 3M Ford. Row 11, we have the Interstate Batteries Toyota and the 29 car. Row 12, we have the Furniture Row car and the Fella car. Row 13, we have the Smithfield Helping Hungry Homes Ford of Blowover King, who would love to get a win to get into this chase, and Dylan Young in the Menards Nipco Chevrolet. Row 14, we have the 9 car in the GoDaddy Chevrolet. Row 15, we have the 33 car and the 56 car. Row 16, we have the 7 car, which actually was the winner last time we were out in California, and the Bass Pro Shop Chevrolet. And finally, rounding out the field is the 31 car. Here we go. The final race in the chase. Under the lights, fireworks will be possibly in full bloom tonight. 13 laps. What if racing is on the pole? We are green here in Southern California. Green flag, green flag, green flag. Let's go, buddy, let's go. Green flag, through wide. Anywhere you want to go, anywhere you want to go, buddy. Anywhere you want to go. Dylan Poteet made a ballsy move early. I don't know if he might have played his trump card too early. Under the 22 and the 4, he claims the lead, but What If Racing is coming back on the bottom. He slides up on him. As we got hectic 3-wide racing throughout the field. Drivers looking to experiment with different grooves. Remember, Dylan Poteet and What If drivers like them, they need a win to get in. Of course, any of these chasers right now would love to get another win to make it even harder for the rest. Jacob Tube under Dylan Murway, but it looks like Dylan Murway is going to be able to power through off the tube. He washes up into Swipe TV, as there is a little bit of contact right here. As we got some, looks like a trouble up in turn 2 at the back. Dylan Young already with some problems. He has scraped the wall. I don't think it'll affect the race. Yeah, oh yeah, it will. He has a lot of damage. He slapped that wall good. Just hope he gets off the racing surface. As Jacob Tube up front sets his sights on the leader. Dylan Poteet in the 2. I think Poteet might have played his trump card a little too early. Let's look at Dylan Murway trying to find a higher groove. His caution is out for Dylan Young. He slapped the wall and he is clearly dropping fluid. So an early caution, lap 2. That's so far probably been the average number of cautions that we've had this season. See Dylan Young right here. Probably about lap 2 or 3 we've had our first caution. Yeah. Here's the 33 of Alex Wheeler. He made it. Yep. Alonso just got loose. Car almost came out from under him. We almost had a had Matthew Powell go around as well. Yep, a lot of damage to the side of that 27 car. He has brought it down pit road. His team is feverishly making quick repairs to that 27. That 27 car. Here we go for the restart march. The restart here at Auto Club Speedway. Let me know if you guys like this new fixture I'm doing for all the night races. This new light fixture that I'm doing where I turn the main light off that I use for day races and then turn my lamp on for all the night races. Here we go, green flag. Schroeder already to the outside. Look at this. Trying to make, maybe he's trying to pull what Dylan Poteet did at the start in turn 1. Jacob Tube takes back the position, but Swipe TV comes charging to the outside, or the inside. Look at this, we got drivers standing out already 3 wide for the top spot. Looks like Swipe TV in the 5, Dylan Poteet in the 2, Jacob Tube in the 24. Poteet pulls it off on the top side. He gets a little squirrely. He scrapes the wall, which means it's a Hendrick battle for the lead off of 4. Here we go. Here, this looks getting big. We got a lot going on right here. As we especially take a big look at this hunk of cars. Jacob Tube takes the lead on the outside. Swipe TV comes fighting back on the inside. Joseph and Zachary Lombard, they're currently secured 14th and 16th in chase. Though Zachary Lombard is holding on by 1 point in the 6th over Philip Goldberg and over what looks like over Tommy Ziesler. It looks like look at this. We got Brian Ballsy move. Will his brother let him by? Will his brother Joseph Lombard let him by? He does. And look at Zachary Lombard. He's coming. He's looking to get to the front. He wants a win. Up front, Jacob Tube gets loose. Under Swipe TV almost takes him out. They both saved it. Or got out of it. Right here. We got a lot going on right now. Lap 6 of 13 put on the board, led by Swipe TV, but What If Racing is coming back on the outside, or in the inside. Dylan Poteet coming on the inside as we go back into turn number 1. The crowd is now on their feet. Turn 1, it is Devin Messner. He blows a tire, slaps the end. the outside wall. Caution is out. The second caution of the day. And it looks like he did more than blow it. He shredded that tire. Tough break for Devin Messner. So he's just kind of had a tough season. You know? Yeah, look at, wow. That tire literally just exploded. Like, the tire fender casing just came off. Second caution of the night. Yep. Was trying to get the pass. Trying to pass the 16, but wow, the tire literally exploded. Gotta feel bad for Devin Messner. He's had a lot of hard luck this season. On pit road for extensive repairs. I'm begging somebody. Extensive repairs is the 29 of Devin Messner. Yeah. Green flag. Morrison doesn't get a good start. He nearly gets turned by Brendan Little. As we got 4 wide racing already into turn 1. Crowd now on their feet. The sun is pretty much dipped completely below the San Gabriel Mountains. Whoa, oh, trouble! Around goes Thundersport Cup Series. He collects, he gets an Isaiah Williams, pins Morrison into the wall. No other cars in it. Oh, don't come down into traffic. Yo! Tommy Aziesler in the 41 got him. Third caution is out on lap number 8. Oh boy. Literally clean the bumper. Wow. The bumper is literally gone. Off that 21 machine. Damage to the 41. Damage to the 3. And yeah, Harris ran into the 21. 21, 1, 1, 1, 21, 1, 1 to the 21. Right here. That looked a lot bigger and meaner than expected. Where we sip champagne, I can never seem to get it. Oh, I got a boner. Right there. Messner is out of the race. They update on him. So the first victim of the night, right here. Watch the replay. Right there. Tried coming up because he knows he got to come back up on the bumps because it's incredibly slick down there. Morrison saved it. Unfortunately, Thundersport Cup Series did not, and right there, you see Ziegler moved high because 21 went down. Almost got the 11 too, and then 6 got him. Then the 41 got him. Heavy damage to the 41 and the 21, but the 21 is able to continue, and it yeah. A little bit of damage there. Yeah. Here we go, restarting on lap 10. What if racing and Swipe TV will bring them down. Green flag, not as much, but look at Philip Goldberg all the way out to the apron. Going way low headed into turn 1. I don't know if this is going to work. Ugh. 3 wide. Right here comes Schroeder. He looks low. Trying to make a pass. Remember, he's one of the... Him, Poteet, and What If Racing are one of multiple drivers trying to look for a win. He came to this race 17th in points. There is a lot of drivers trying to go for it. Here they go. Coming off turn 4. Oh, they hit. 99 and 24 got together. Here we go. This could get big right here. Looks like 24 is trying to fight back on the outside, but the 3 jukes him low. Jukes low to avoid. Up front, here comes Poteet. He comes up and he clears Mark Schroeder on the backstretch. Whoa, look at this. We just saw Morrison go way out on the apron, all the way almost closer to the inside wall than the outside, just to avoid this. Wow. Look at this. Watch the 3. Car coming into review here. And here's what Jacob Tube had to say about this. Go down there and ask the 99 what the hell his problem is with me. I accidentally slip up off 4 and now he's trying to run me off the track, trying to wreck me. Like, what's his problem? I'll take care of it. That's Jacob Tube spotter, Adina Hunt. And here's what the 99 had to say. I slip up. Slips into me now. I'm trying to take care of it. I'm trying to show him what's the problem. 10-4. If he wants to get butt hurt, we'll take care of it. Up front, 2 laps to go. Here they come. Swipe TV looks low. Swipe TV is going to look low for second. He tries to take the lead here, but we got Penske teammates. He's got Penske, the Roger Penske Ford of Dylan Poteet, driving Brad Keselowski's car. He goes to the point on the outside. Well, probably one of the ballsiest moves all night. All night long, buddy. Then, looking on more of Jacob Tube's radio communications, okay, he's still trying to run me to the track. 99, I'm gonna beat the out of him. Yeah, 10-4, I would too. If he tries wrecking, you just show him you're not gonna take it. Cross over. Get him loose. Oh, watching this situation right now. Look up front, we got 3-4 car battle, but where did Philip Goldberg come from? Yep, Philip Goldberg's got to do these kinds of things. He hasn't won all season. He would love to get a win tonight. As trouble turns off of 4. As Dylan Poteet comes to the white flag and trouble off of 4. Isaiah Williams spins, slaps the wall hard. A lot of contact. Looks like he gets it straight. The white flag has been displayed. The caution is out. I don't know if this will warrant a green-white checkered. I don't know if this will warrant a green-white checkered right here. I think we had a green-white checkered the last race, but Isaiah Williams, a factor in this race, now crashed in the last California race. Crashed in this race. Let's just see how this looked. Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah, a little bit of revenge going on. And comes down almost right into the path of Brendan Little. Almost T-boned him. That could have been really big. Speaking of Isaiah Williams, he has brought his car down pit road. There will be a green-white checkered. It is going to be a free-for-all on this restart. I can tell you that. It's going to be a really, really, really big free-for-all on this restart. I mean, look, yeah, the chaser and non-chaser, a chaser and a non-chase. 2 chasers and 2 non-chasers in the top 4 of in the top 2 rows. In fact, you actually have an even mix of chasers and non-chasers. It's a perfect storm. I mean, chasers, you got Dylan Murray, Spike TV, Dylan Murray who won at Charlotte, and Spike TV who won at Talladega, and Kevin Fuller who won the last race at Daytona, and Jacob Tube who won the opening race of the season. And you got this crop of non-chasers, which basically means what we're going to see is going to be fucking biblical on this restart. Here's Isaiah Williams. He's still doing repairs on pit road. Here's what he had to say about this whole deal. Inside. Alright, got inside 24. Inside 24. He comes up and he wrecks us. Son of a bitch. We can't even buy a fucking break. Fuck it. We're done. That's Isaiah Williams' frustration, and we do apologize for the language that he used. You can always see it's the heat of the moment. Final race. Green-white checkered. Drivers are going to be emotionally frustrated. This is going to be biblical. This is probably going to be the most biblical restart we've seen all season. If not the most biblical restart we've seen all season. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of fireworks tonight. You got Dylan Murray, who looks like he could get his second one of the night or the season, and Mark Schroeder, who really could use a win. Spike TV and Dylan Poteet in row number 2. Poteet could use a win to get in and have a shot, so he could have a shot at his chase. Philip Goldberg and What If Racing in row 3. Kevin Fuller and Jacob Tube row 4. Philip Goldberg and Jonathan Morrison rounding out your top 10. Morrison is the Las Vegas winner. Here they come for the restart. 2 laps to settle it in it's California tonight. Green flag in the air. Poteet makes a daring move on the outside. Did he play his trump card too early? We don't know. Oh, we got the 6 cars loose. Does he save it? After a tap from Minecraft is the Beast, he does get the car straight, but he loses a lot of spots up front. It is Dylan Poteet in the 17, in the 2, Schroeder in the 4. Dylan Murray in the 17 as we come down the back straightaway. Isaiah Williams has taken his car to the garage for the night. Frustration that he will not be in the chase. Off of turn 4 to get the white flag. Schroeder 4, Poteet 2, Murray 17. 3 drivers with a shot to win. Of course, Dylan Murray could possibly have a shot here tonight. Here comes What If Racing. And Philip Goldberg, Mr. Where Did He Come From? Oh my god, this is a recipe for a 7-car wreck right here off of 2. This is a recipe for a wreck. Dylan Murray try card with Mark Shore on the outside. Poteet, 2. Philip Goldberg in the 11, lying in the wings. Both these drivers wanting, the 2 and the 4 wanting their first win of the season. Dylan Murray just wanting another win. Here they come off of into turns 3 and 4 for the final time. It is going to be Mark Schroeder, Dylan Murray. Philip Goldberg gets there. He spins Dylan Murray at the stripe. But Mark Schroeder is going to win it tonight in California. We don't know who got in and who got out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hard crash. Big time hit for Brendan Little, who's trying to slow down. Oh, wow. Scary crash. Here on the last lap of here at California, as cars are wrecking everywhere as they head towards turn 1. Harris, DJ Harris, Kyle Thomas, Steven Gonzalez, Brendan Little have all wrecked on the last lap. Ten races, 10 different winners. But a horrific crash on the final lap for Dylan Murray, who got hammered by the 15 of Brendan Little, who was trying to slow down at the stripe. To make to the finish, these 3 guys were just along for the ride. Kyle Thomas with a lot of damage. Harris with a lot of damage. Steven Gonzalez with a lot of damage. 5-car wreck on the last lap. And Zachary Lombard and Minecraft is the Beast are... Remember what you said at the beginning about fireworks? Yep. We may have a fireworks show tonight. They're saying Poteet got second, Philip Goldberg got, despite spinning, Dylan Murray has scored 3rd. Goldberg is 4th, and Jacob Tube is your top 5. Strike TV, Water Racing, Ben Goldberg, Kevin Fuller, and Jonathan Morrison ran out your top 10. Minecraft is the Beast is 11th, Brendan Little is 12th, Steven Gonzalez 13th, Kyle Thomas 14th, Joseph DJ Harris is 15th, Joseph Lombard 16th, Tony Green 17th, Chris Walker 18th, Glover King 19th, and Field Philip is 20th. 21st is Alex Wheeler, 22nd is Zachary Lombard, 23rd is Austin Doyle, 24th is Matthew Powell, 25th is Alvin Alonso, 26th is Jessica Shelton, 27th is the 31 of Caleb Hoffman, 28th is Dylan Young, 29th is Montana Pinnell, 30th is Thundersport Cup Series. The lowest finishing chaser tonight. We have the record fewest number of cars out of the race. A NASCAR's South Park Cup Series race. That's saying something there. So, you have just heard Kevin Fuller, Jonathan Morrison have made it to the chase. Schroeder, with his win tonight, has made it into the chase. Dylan Poteet has made it to the... What If Racing made it to the chase. Ben Goldberg made it to the chase. Joseph Lombard made it to the chase. Zachary Lombard did not. Dylan Poteet made it to the chase. Tony Green made it to the chase. And Kyle Thomas, of all people, survives a wild season made it in on points to get into the chase. 6, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8, 12, 14. Brief miscount. Chris Washer made it in, and of all people, Zachary Lombard. As brief miscount, Zachary Lombard made it into the chase. Here are your 16 chasers who will compete for a championship this season. And it will begin tomorrow at New Hampshire. And speaking of Zachary Lombard, he is in a very, very heated discussion. You notice how Minecraft's the Beast hasn't taken his helmet off. No, but I love how these two drivers, the pit crews, while standing guard, are willing to let these two drivers talk it out. Fuck you, you little bitch. And now, it's on. Whoa! Yep, they're definitely mixing it up down here in pit road. Punch is definitely worth throwing. One of the pit crew guys trying to grab Zachary Lombard, but one of the Furniture Row pit crew is attempted to punch one of the Admiral Care pit crew. This was possibly I think Zachary Lombard came up to explain, so Minecraft the Beast could explain what happened on the last lap. Minecraft the Beast, in a failed attempt, was 20th in the chase. He will miss it. But congratulations to Mark Schroeder for his first win of the season. And tomorrow, we get race 1 of the chase from New Hampshire. We begin the Challenger round, where at the end at Dover, 4 of these drivers will be eliminated. Like this video if you enjoyed. Comment if you want to, and subscribe to Dylan Merwet. And for a long time, this is the first race since we heard of of Steve Burns passing away with head and neck cancer. But he went the distance. And that's what I leave you with tonight. Hashtag I went the distance. Have an awesome afternoon, everybody.